An inclusive student support committee of 4 students will be chosen. There are 9 students in total, 3 mentors, 3 club leads, and 3 athletes. Each of the 3 groups must be represented on the committee. However, Anna is a mentor and Zane is an athlete. They cannot both be chosen for the committee because they are already on another support team. How many different committees are possible? Pause the video. Try it before I show the trick. Hint: which group sizes can add up to 4 with at least 1 from each group? Here is the trick. 2 big steps. Step A: find the valid group splits. The committee has 4 spots, and each group must give at least 1. The only ways to split 4 into 3 parts with each part at least 1 are 2 plus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2 plus 1, and 1 plus 1 plus 2. For the first split, 2 mentors, 1 club lead, 1 athlete. 3 choose 2 equals 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27. For the second split, 1 mentor, 2 club leads, 1 athlete. 3 times 3 choose 2 times 3 equals 27. For the third split, 1 mentor, 1 club lead, 2 athletes. 3 times 3 times 3 choose 2 equals 27. Total committees with all groups represented. 27 plus 27 plus 27 equals 81. Step B: subtract the bad committees. Bad ones are where Anna and Zane are both chosen. Fix those 2. We have 2 more spots to fill. The options are 1 more mentor and 1 club lead. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 club leads, 3 choose 2 equals 3. 1 club lead and 1 more athlete. 3 times 2 equals 6. Bad committees. 6 plus 3 plus 6 equals 15. So the answer, 81 minus 15, equals 66 committees. 2 old tools combined. Combination for each group. Plus subtract the bad from L2 of this series. The answer is 66 committees. Let me show you the big idea. This is the group combinations rule. If a committee of size K is drawn from several groups, and each group must be represented, then enumerate the valid group size splits. Sum the products of C of n, k for each group. Then subtract the committees containing a forbidden pair. Look for the words at least 1 from each group. That is, when this rule applies. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.